what makes Los Angeles so unique is the variety. You get the beach, the mountains, the desert. I kept that in mind designing the Hollywood Hills collection. Door hardware really is the jewelry of the home. In everything I design, I always try to bring in a modern classic element. I'm really drawn to industrial touches that kind of create a beautiful silhouette when the light catches the door hardware. I think it would go beautifully on a Mediterranean house, just as beautifully as it would go on a beachy Cape Cod or a modern contemporary home. I'm really honored to partner with a brand that has such incredible history like Baldwin, having been around for over 70 years and still handcrafting their products. With the Hollywood Hills collection, homeowners can expect to get high-style, cutting-edge design and an incredible product that is made to last. The best of both worlds from Erinn V and Baldwin.